Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm showing you how to make a really yummy and simple vegan coconut curry. Let's get started with this recipe. In a large pan, add 3 tablespoons of green curry paste and a little bit of water. Cook for a minute over medium-high. Add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 can of coconut milk. You can also use full fat if you want this dish to be creamier. Half a cup of veggie broth, and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Stir to combine. Add 1 cup of canned baby corn, half of a red bell pepper sliced, and 1/4 cup of cilantro chopped. Stir and simmer for 15 minutes. Then add 1 cup of frozen peas and 2 cups of cubed medium firm tofu. Cook until tofu is hot. At this point, you can add more green curry paste to suit your taste buds. Serve with rice. This was so easy to make and super delicious, and it even tastes more flavorful the next day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is also a collaboration with my friend Anna, who has an awesome vegan YouTube channel. She's going to be making a vegan chickpea curry with roasted cauliflower. Doesn't her curry look absolutely delicious? Make sure you go on over to her channel. The link will be down below to watch how she made this curry. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!